Federal authorities warn New Jersey governor over alleged harboring of undocumented immigrant. In a striking development, Tom Homan, former Acting Director of U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, under the Trump administration, has issued a stern warning to New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy regarding his recent public admission of harboring an undocumented immigrant. The governor's remarks, made during an event hosted by the progressive group Blue Wave New Jersey, have sparked significant legal and political controversy. During the event, Governor Murphy openly stated that he is providing housing to an individual with unresolved immigration status in a residence above his garage. He further challenged federal authorities, saying, "Good luck to the feds coming in to try to get her." This statement has drawn sharp criticism from immigration enforcement officials and raised questions about potential violations of federal law. Tom Homan, a prominent figure in U.S. immigration policy, responded to Murphy's comments during an interview on Fox News. Homan emphasized that knowingly harboring or concealing an undocumented immigrant is a violation of Title 8, United States Code, Section 1324. This statute explicitly prohibits the harboring, smuggling, or transporting of individuals who are in the country unlawfully. Violations of this law can result in severe penalties, including imprisonment for up to 10 years. In cases where such actions lead to the death of another individual, the law permits even harsher penalties, including life imprisonment or, in extreme circumstances, the death penalty. Homan stated, "If Governor Murphy is knowingly harboring or concealing an illegal alien, that's a violation of federal law. I would seek prosecution, or the Secretary of Homeland Security would seek prosecution." He added that the matter would be thoroughly investigated, leaving no room for ambiguity regarding the potential legal consequences. The controversy extends beyond Governor Murphy's individual case. Homan also addressed the broader issue of so-called sanctuary cities, jurisdictions that limit cooperation with federal immigration enforcement efforts. He argued that such policies endanger public safety by shielding individuals who may pose a threat to communities. Homan cited the tragic case of Locken Riley, a victim whose alleged killer had previously been arrested in New York City, but was not turned over to federal authorities due to sanctuary policies. Sanctuary cities are responsible for the deaths of thousands of individuals, Homan asserted, vowing that the Trump administration would continue its efforts to challenge these jurisdictions through legal means. The debate over immigration enforcement and sanctuary policies remains a deeply polarizing issue in the United States. Proponents of sanctuary cities argue that these policies foster trust between immigrant communities and local law enforcement, while critics contend that they undermine federal immigration laws and jeopardize national security. Homan's remarks underscore the Trump administration's commitment to stricter immigration enforcement and its opposition to policies that impede federal authority. As this situation unfolds, it raises critical questions about the balance of power between state and federal governments, the enforcement of immigration laws, and the broader implications for public safety and national security. The legal and political ramifications of Governor Murphy's actions, as well as the ongoing debate over sanctuary cities, are likely to remain at the forefront of national discourse.